Imagine a computer program that can write stories, compose poems, and answer your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. This is the promise of ChatGPT, a powerful artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT represents a significant leap forward in our ability to interact with machines using natural language. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a sophisticated language model that can understand and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. From summarizing factual topics to crafting creative content, ChatGPT is transforming the way we communicate and interact with information. The potential applications of ChatGPT are vast and exciting. Imagine students getting personalized tutoring, writers overcoming writer's block with AI assistance, or businesses automating customer service with intelligent chatbots. ChatGPT is poised to revolutionize numerous industries and aspects of our daily lives. But how does ChatGPT actually work? What goes on behind the scenes when you type a query and receive a coherent and contextually relevant response? Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of AI and uncover the secrets of ChatGPT's remarkable capabilities. At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model. These AI systems are trained on massive data sets of text and code, allowing them to learn patterns, grammar, and even some reasoning abilities. LLMs excel at understanding and generating human-like text, making them ideal for a wide range of language-based tasks. Think of an LLM like a sponge that has absorbed an entire library's worth of information. By analyzing this vast amount of text, the model develops a deep understanding of language and how words relate to each other. This understanding allows the LLM to generate text that is not simply a copy of what it has seen before. Instead, it can create new and original content by combining its knowledge in novel ways. The development of LLMs represents a significant step towards creating AI that can communicate and interact with us in a way that feels natural and intuitive. As these models continue to improve, we can expect to see even more impressive feats of language generation and comprehension. ChatGPT is powered by the GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, a revolutionary neural network design that has propelled the field of natural language processing forward. Let's break down what each of these terms means. Generative refers to the model's ability to generate text. It doesn't just analyze existing text, it creates new text based on the patterns it has learned. Pre-trained means that the model is first trained on a massive data set of text and code before it is fine-tuned for specific tasks. This pre-training allows it to develop a broad understanding of language. Finally, transformer refers to the underlying architecture of the neural network. Transformers excel at processing sequential data, like text, making them ideal for language modeling tasks. We'll delve deeper into the specifics of the transformer architecture in a later section. Arctic Gap trees. Let's explore ChatGPT's real-world applications. ChatGPT has practical uses across various industries. In customer service, ChatGPT-powered chatbots handle inquiries and provide support. These chatbots offer instant responses, freeing up human agents. In content creation, ChatGPT generates ideas and drafts articles. Its ability to generate coherent text streamlines content production. In education, ChatGPT serves as a tutor explaining complex topics. It provides personalized learning experiences. ChatGPT's applications are diverse and impactful. From customer service to content creation, education, and beyond, This tool is transforming our interaction with technology. Gap 3s. As we marvel at the capabilities of ChatGPT, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and challenges of deploying such powerful AI systems. One pressing concern is bias. ChatGPT learns from a vast dataset, which can include biases present in the data. This can lead to biased or unfair outputs. Developers work to mitigate these biases, but it's an ongoing challenge. Privacy is another significant concern. Ensuring responsible and secure handling of user data is paramount. There are also concerns about potential misuse. ChatGPT can generate misleading information or malicious content. Establishing safeguards and promoting ethical usage is crucial. By addressing these concerns, we can harness ChatGPT's power responsibly. Gap 3s. Now let's delve into how ChatGPT learns from the vast amounts of data it processes. The key to ChatGPT's impressive capabilities lies in its training data. This model has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, encompassing billions of words from books, articles, websites, and more. This vast and diverse dataset allows ChatGPT to learn the nuances of human language and develop a wide range of skills. Imagine feeding a child a library's worth of books and having them analyze the patterns, grammar, and storytelling techniques. ChatGPT undergoes a similar process, but on a much larger scale. The training process involves feeding the model text and asking it to predict the next word in a sequence. By repeatedly making predictions and adjusting its internal parameters, the model gradually improves its ability to generate coherent and grammatically correct text. The sheer volume and diversity of the training data are crucial for ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like text. This exposure to a wide range of writing styles, topics, and formats allows the model to adapt to different prompts and generate creative and informative responses. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.